Hello, hello. Oh, no, 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 no. God, Xena. Oh, stream started. Okay. Come here, back. I cannot even check if everything is alright. Need to check my sound. Should be online already on both platforms. Guess it's good. A bit chaotic today, but my head is representing amount of projects that I'm doing. Xena, my cat is here. Let's gonna keep it like this. Xena, come. All right. On Twitch, I can hear myself very good, but I can see that my screen is shifted and it should be like this. It's always getting shifted. I don't know why. So, right, this is how it should be. And then we're going to launch the application and see how is it working. On YouTube, I still need to check. My cat, she has a playing mood. Let me show you it. Just let me check YouTube and I'm gonna show you my cat because she's just here. I guess it's all good. I can hear myself. All great, all right. There is no music on YouTube, but I'm just like gonna keep it like this. So my cat is trying to play with my case for iPad. Xena, come here. I need to sneeze. Sorry. Xena. Sorry. Xen. Now you're going to see. Eventually she's going to come. Opa. You cannot see her. She will arrive. There is a perfect space for her. Venus. Hello. Venus, do you know who subscribed to me maybe like several days ago? And the name of this person was No Soy Venus Discorcepo. Who could it be? Okay, Venus. ¿Cómo estás? Ay, mira, Venus. Demasiada emoción y ya no puedo hablar. Mira, Venus, que tengo. Y también, mira más. Ay, tengo esto. Lo amo. Lo amo. Lo tengo aquí, enfrente de mí, cada día. Yo, Venus, sinceramente quiero más. Me encanta. Me encanta. Pero ahora quiero mostrar la Xena. Dale, Xena. Say hi to everyone. Come on. No, no, no. Just sit and don't bite me, please. Please, no, no, no. Oh, thank you for subscribe, Venus. Thank you so much. Sí, era yo. Perdí la cuenta. Okay, I'm starting my stream just with cat. So my cat is here. I cannot move anything because she's biting me. Xen. Okay. Good. Good. ¿Cómo estás? Justo ahora estamos almorzando, Xena. Perdón que por no pasarme nunca. No. Está todo súper bien. Bueno. Bien trabajando. ¿Y tú qué tal? Yo también bien trabajando. Como siempre. Aquí tengo una chuche para comer después. Déjame ver qué tengo yo aquí. Es mi gata. Voy a intentar hacer... Mientras es mi gata, lo voy a hacer como en la pantalla grande. ¿Quién necesita el código? Si yo tengo mi gata así. Nadie, ¿no? Vale. Ya estoy orando por si viene Lady Gaga, ¿no? A ver, están diciendo que el año que viene hay otra gira de Gaga. Ah, vale, vale. Pues que ves que yo estoy leyendo de abajo a arriba. Vale. Yo ayer trabajaba por, no solo por trabajo normalmente que hago, pero trabajaba por mis propias cosas por la tarde y también hoy voy a seguir con Horoscope Zodiac Sign. I switched to English so people will understand everyone. This is my cat. She's vibe coding and we are doing a horoscope application. Let me start from launching the app. If I would need to speak for my cat, it would be like, now with artificial intelligence, I don't need to do anything. I'm gonna wipe code my application. So easy. Where is my keyboard? Where is the keyboard? It's not my keyboard. Where is the keyboard? It's here? Not here. Let's launch the application and see what's going on. He's Ryan Gosling. Venus, where is Ryan Gosling? I don't hear anything from him. I watched last week on the cinema a new movie with Leonardo DiCaprio. All right, so this is what we have. Maybe I can work now. By the way, this is currently the Ukrainian version of my application because I decided that I'm going to translate it into English and into Ukrainian. So I start my stream probably from remembering where I left everything. And I have here a top bar, settings, the stuff that I need to remake after offline. I will make the advertisement and I will change terms and conditions because this is something that I already do when I'm close to publishing the application. And today, I guess I will work on, there is also a bug on scrolling, which I would need to work probably. I will fix the top bar and I also gonna do maybe try to make some kind of a scrolling improvement. Is your cat always this charming or is my lucky day? It's always charming. She's like, my cat is vibe coding with closed eyes. You can clearly see. She is actually invented a telepathic vibe coding. She's just looking with one eye or trying not even to look into cursor and the code appear. Yes, it's so today I have been probably Venus, you know, in Barcelona into a shopping mall, and there is something interesting that I noticed is that a lot of fashion companies like Boss, Douglas, maybe Massimo Dutti. I don't remember about Massimo Dutti, but a lot of brands using the images of animals like cute dogs and puppies for the advertisement. So my cat is going to be in every advertisement of my applications. Everywhere. Everywhere. Let's continue. Xena, vibe code. Newbit, how are you? Is everything okay? Tell me. All right, let's go. So I need to open in Cursor, horoscope application. Xena was opening my the cursor, and now we're gonna try to fix in here the shadow and the login. So I'm gonna switch language to. Then maybe this pop-up I also need to change, I don't know. English. Restart the application, it says to me. So I did everything already about the database. I created the database for end of December and all 2026. So it's all ready right now. Xena is happy. And now I will try to make to fix the scrolling. Actually, the language changed. I don't need to kill the application. All right. So we're gonna write. Xena, please. Need somehow to see what I'm writing. Hey, can. It's my cat is doing it. It's not me. I'm just checking what she's doing. Ah, please don't bite me. Please don't bite me. Please. That's her face when she's about to bite me. All right. Hey. On the screen with the horoscope, I would like to change the scrolling of the context a bit. I will try to describe as much as I can because we really need to be very precise when we write this. So now when I scroll, I can see that the text, when I scroll down, I can see that the text is going behind. I cannot see, it's a bit uncomfortable with cat, but behind the title of the date. She decided to just bite me for no reason. You can clearly see how this happened. Just like, why not to bite me? Why not? That's how she's working. I'm gonna clip it actually. Xena cat biting for no reason. That's how I call it. All right, let's see. What is she doing? I have no idea. All right. Now, okay. She's not happy. She decided to leave. All right, I'm gonna put myself smaller and also on YouTube. All right, good. Now we can proceed. Great. Xen, please don't touch my headphones. Please. Ow! She's biting me. Xena! Okay. Good. She's just doing her stuff. Okay. It's not easy. Hey, on the screen with the horoscope, I would like to change the scrolling on the context a bit. Now, when I scroll down, I can see that the text is going behind the title of the date. And I would like to make the background of the date like a gradient, 50% transparent shadow, so that text, she's back. She has FOMO. Just don't bite me, please. Don't bite me. So the text is, how to say it? Trying to understand how to say it properly. That appears behind the date is a bit more darker and it visually more beautiful. Let's see if ChatGPT or Cursor are gonna be able to do it. I don't know why she's doing this. Like I'm a bit scared even. Then just why? What is there that you see? Now if she will not stare at some points, she gonna bite me. That's how my relationship with Xena are working. Okay. Just thinking about something. And also I just remembered that I was doing the horoscopes illustrations. So I can make even also like a description screens with the horoscope illustrations that I did. There's going to be version 2. Firstly, I need to upload what I already have. Let's see if we already have it ready. Ah, no, it's still in progress, right? Ah, no. Okay, it's done. Let's run and see. This is my another application. It's don't pay attention to it. All right, so I'm scrolling. To get some kind of bigger, like he blocked the scrolling part, or what happened? Didn't change around the zodiac signs to see. could happen. It's not probably how I like it, but okay, maybe Ukrainian translation gonna be longer, so I can try it on Ukrainian. Yeah. I believe that yes, it is somehow different, but just a little bit. Ow, 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 ow. No, Xena. Like, this is what it left after she's biting me. This is what I have left. Xena. So I do feel like there is slightly, it's getting darker, right? Yeah, I'm gonna make, can you... I think I can see that the text under the date is slightly darker. But can you make it even more dark? Just organizing myself better. Let's see. I also need to work on a new design for... Yeah, I can see it now. But, okay, I see. It should be transparent to 0, okay. On the bottom. I just write, I need a smooth design. Let's see if it's gonna work and he will understand it. Let's see. As you can see, I place also a test advertisement. I need to kill this application because it's something that I was working before. I need to kill it. Hey, no. Okay. Oh, yeah, it It's actually working. Yeah. I don't see exactly the line. It's really good, I guess. Perfect. Great. Commit the changes. All right, here we need to find settings icon. I basically cannot see my screen because my cat is... Okay, now she decided to lay down on my hand. All right. So I'm gonna zoom out myself. I'm gonna consider only my cat as important. All right, which one would be a beautiful settings option for my application? Checking the design. I think it should be pink and solid. Let's take this. Xena is here. Don't bite me. No, Xena. No, 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 no. She's just biting me all the time. Can you move a bit just like this? Just, that's all, that's all. Just stay there. No. Xen, come here. Xen, no. I'm sorry. Okay, she wants to sit here and I cannot do anything with this. So she said she's gonna sit there and she will sit on my hand. Okay. So, should it be pink or should it be green? We'll try and decide. Should be green. Okay. Settings icon. She doesn't like my Xen. Xena. Okay. I added a new file. Please use this icon instead of the one that you use now for settings. Let's see. He didn't apply the color, so I need to tell him to apply the color. Michael Jackson, amazing. Actually, I wanted to put some cream for after sports muscles, but if I will put it, I'm gonna be very angry. So I keep myself out of this. All right, let's see if it's working. Xena, no. No, Xena. Surprisingly, she avoided all my keyboards on the table now. Ah, wait, I did a mistake. I wanted to have this color. I forgot. Let's see. So the icon, the logo is not good, so I need to change it. And with green is way better, I guess. Advertisement is working. Like, I don't know why it's lagging with. Well, it's not that important. Okay, let's go back to design. This is a Rubik font. Now, can you make the title of the header word zodiac sign name with font Rubik. And also make it a bit bigger. Then I can work on to changing the icon, but also I don't know, maybe I can to work on something that I can just generate a description of the zodiac signs, or even better, what it says, like compatibility. I don't know. I would need to think about this right now, because I have all of those illustrations. I remember that a long time ago I was drawing my illustrations with my own ideas, like the pieces with the fish that eating a head. It's kind of like really cool illustration. I'm really proud of it. And actually, her eyebrows is a fish. So let's see if I would be able to implement it now. It should be different font now in here. And yeah, then we can make an icon. I have no idea which. Oh yeah, okay, Leo. Let's change to see. Let's say Aquarius. All right, it is good. And why is it Ukrainian? Ah, yeah, I changed it to Ukrainian. Good. All right. Icon. Okay, so I'm gonna give a creative job to ChatGPT. I'm just gonna do like this. Now I need you to generate 512 on 512 image for my horoscope application. An icon it will be my app launcher, and I need it to be how to say recognizable, like, because I had this word in Ukrainian in my head. I need it to be a recognizable and also visible from the distance, as it will be as a small icon on the phone, and also should be in this style of the whole design of my app. Screenshot attached. Remember, the subject is an application about daily horoscope prediction and planet position. Let's go. Let's see what it's going to generate. And if I will try to think, maybe I can add here some icon. Like, settings are settings, but maybe I can add something in here, like Aquarius and arrow, and create description and compatibility or something like this. Maybe it's not gonna run away now, because I'm gonna do smelly cream on my neck now. Let's see what it's gonna generate. It's not. Did I forgot to. I forgot to put the screenshot. I need to do it. It's not bad, also, but it's not in the colors of. Oh, can you? I will do. Can you change the color palette for this? And we're gonna pick up. And black and white. Let's see. Xena detected that I applied smelly cream. So where I can put my icons for description and compatibility. What are they? What ChatGPT is doing? I'm curious now. Is it horoscope sign or is a feminist sign? What is? I'll send him the screenshot. Maybe it's neo-brutalism. Let's see. It's a very weird how he went from here to here, just in one message, in one prompt. It's weird. Maybe I can put here another icon, but I don't know which icon could be for about compatibility and description of the zodiac sign. I have no idea how to do it well. Now he's not doing it square. Like I'm very close to introduction of bottom bar, but I don't want to. I like that actually there is a banner with advertisement downstairs. So I really have no idea where to put it. Like if I put it in here in settings, it's not very discoverable, and I want it to be like one click from the main home screen. So if I'm on here, if I'm gonna make this icon clickable, it's not intuitive. It's so people will not understand it because it's like a text blocks and that's all. I can try to put it in here, but I don't know which icon it can be. I need to talk to ChatGPT. Still no result in here? Oh, okay. All right. This is the best one, right? This one. He made four different. So this ones I don't like because it's remind me like Turkish flag or something. So no, but this one I'm gonna. I like this option. Give me some more variants. Also, this one is not bad, no? Let's see. Please. Always gonna add please. Okay, so meanwhile, ChatGPT is generating. We're gonna write here compatibility. They gave me zodiac sign. Oh, maybe I can use this one. And also I can make a description. Let me see description. I button is not what I want. I want something. Well, maybe this, but it's like a chat. This one is good. It's like a planet. But why they put it under description tag? All right, let's see. There are different options in here. I like this one. For compatibility of zodiac signs, I can use this icon. And here, this is Saturn, planet online. Let me see if I'm going to say planet. It's actually a great idea to use just a planet. Wow, this is very good. This is good and this is good. Already a lot of different options for me. So now I guess maybe the good design approach would be if I will put some kind of like settings surrounded by white stroke and the colorful one. I feel like it would be a good option and I need to try it out. Okay, let me do it. Settings, let's see. So I need to have field multicolor. I like this. This can be an option for me. Okay. Let's see what I can do. So here, or maybe I can just apply stroke to this one. And it should be white and way bigger. Okay. Or this should be, I don't know if I'm doing it right, but maybe I can move this one. This all part. should be white. It's not the same effect. I don't know which color make it. Maybe it's good like this. What if I'm gonna make stroke still black in here? Is that working? Gonna keep it in here, and meanwhile I'm gonna add my hearts. Let's see. Great, no? It looks like a blood drops, but maybe it should not be red, it should be pink. Like intense pink. Maybe this is better for... Yes. It's better for understanding, I guess. And we had a planet. Where is my planet? This one or this one or this one? I guess this one I like. Probably gonna have some problems with... I knew they're gonna have problems with stroke because of this one. I'm gonna make it orange. I don't know why. I feel like it's good for planet and for my colors. Oh, what? All right. I'm gonna try to make it small. And then adjust the stroke. I don't like it. Maybe this one is better, probably. And probably I need to make it yellow. No, 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 no. What is going on? It's a mask, no? No. Something like this. Then grouping this. Try to make it smaller. All right. Oh. Can be slightly bigger. All right, so I can have it like this, like a sets of icons, maybe still slightly smaller. Sets of icons, and then I can use them for my compatibility. And oh, no, no, no. For compatibility and just general description. Great. So exports, and I'm gonna say it SVG. This one I'm gonna call description icon, and this we're gonna call export SVG. We're gonna call it compatibility. Icon. So meanwhile I did those icons, I want to see what ChatGPT did for my icon of zodiac sign. Okay. Oh wow, this is very, very good. Great. Let me go. Oh no. Oh. All right. I'm gonna put telescope. Let's see on Dribble. This is a good one. Oh no. So he did a great idea that it can be like a telescope, like something like this. I like the orange one. Where it was the... This one is the typical Notion type, Notion style. This one I like. So what I'm gonna do... Caso es mi marina favorita. Hello, what's good? Hello, everything is good. I am progressing with my horoscope application, trying to make ChatGPT an icon and also making my new icons, new functionality. And actually, the whole application is working quite well. I managed to do here like a gradient, so it's covered, like you probably, I'm zooming it in so you can see the text underneath the title of the date is darker in comparison. Where is my scroll? In comparison with the white text in here. So basically it's working because the gradient is working, scroll is working. I added settings, I added new translations. So it's actually very, very good. And now I'm trying to add more settings, description, compatibility, and just a new icon of settings, which I already added. And I would need to generate now again the data. But also, I am preparing with ChatGPT a new icon, like launcher icon, which I need to work a bit more. So can I make a screenshot of this? Is it possible? All right, now I'm gonna get flip horizontal. Because when I was studying, when I was a kid in School of Art, and also I was also attending Computer Academy, they were explaining that visually everything that it goes from bottom left to top right is what attract people's attention and also associated with growth and prosperity and all good, like super positive. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So I flipped it. I'm gonna copy it and gonna say to ChatGPT again. Great. I love the idea of telescope. I attach a screenshot of the example that I like. Can you make same style but with the colors that I provided to you, and also make an image of 512 on 512. I guess it's like a typical size for the icons on Google Play, if I'm not mistaken. I remember, yeah, like I already uploaded such a big amount of applications, so I guess it is. So meanwhile, ChatGPT creating the image, we will add two vector icons, which would be this one, which is description icon, and it would be compatibility icon. And I'm gonna say copy full path, and I'm gonna tell to cursor I created. How are you, Lazy Continent? I created two new icons, this one and description. Can you please make them, can you please put them on the top header, and after that I will tell you what those icons / buttons should do. Thank you so much, Lazy Continent. Lazar Bats, thank you so much for follow. Thank you so much for following me. Let's see how, oh my God, so good, so great. I'm gonna download it. Great. This is pretty much super according to the style that I have, and you can see telescope and you can see stars. I really like it. So I'm going back to Figma. We don't need it anymore. We have it here. Well, yeah, it's kind of good. I just probably will create a mask for it with rounded corners. Oops, I should not be transparent. What have I done? Great, now I'm gonna say that we need to export this one as PNG. And we're gonna call it launcher horoscope icon. Great. ¿Qué dices? Ya te seguía hace 2 años. No, yo no sé si fuiste tú, porque me sale Lazar Bats que me ha seguido, me ha salido en Streamlabs. Entonces, por eso digo gracias, que eso es lo que me ha salido, ¿sabes? Vale. I have this. Now I need to go and upload and drawable image asset. I'm gonna click here. This is very ugly icon, I guess. So we're gonna use this one. Open. How we will circle Google Play. All right. Square. Should we do bigger? It's not working anyhow. Okay. It's just lagging. Stop it. Let me wait. It's lagging. It's lagging. It's done. Let me adjust it properly to Google Play icon. Oh my god. I think it's good like this. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it like this. Next. Finish. All right. And it's supposed to work. And also now my cursor finished his job and I will be ready to observe my 2 new icons. The one for compatibility and for heart. And then I would need to work on finding my horoscope illustrations, adding those horoscopes illustration into the project. Then I would need to generate the description for every horoscope. Oh, why so small? Why so small? What about my icon? Is it working? Oh yeah, the icon is actually worked. But maybe it should be... No, I'm just guessing how it should be. So probably I should do... I'm gonna do like this. This is going to be fully this color. And in here I will draw this. It's gonna be black. Here I will cover those parts just with the blocks of squares. It's working, not? We'll put it like this and put it like this. Y todo bien por aquí, guapa, adelantando unas comisiones que debo. ¿Y tú qué tal? Yo bien, trabajando mucho, avanzando, intentando hacer mucho. Como no puedo parar, siempre lo digo, yo tengo tantas ideas que me cuesta encontrar tiempo para hacerlas y me siento como que yo puedo hacer cualquier cosa. Entonces, sufriendo y disfrutando todo a la vez. Bueno, creo que esto, this image gonna be better if I export it. I'm gonna launcher icon horoscope. Again, like it just switched the words by places, but it still should be good. And let me update it. Here I'm gonna say, can you please make the description and compatibility icons a bit bigger. Don't know if settings should be bigger, but it should be bigger. Also maybe Aquarius zodiac sign should be bigger. I don't know. Yeah, like I feel, yeah, should be. This is looking good, but this cutted edges not good. So I decided to regenerate. Yeah, those two look very, very small in comparison with settings. So I should adjust it. I will re-upload the launcher icon. Into this one. I think it's better. Cursor finish its job, so now I can just launch it. And what is next? Jaja, sí, ya sé que eres muy productiva. I'm so proud of you. Keep going. Muchas gracias, Lazy Continent. ¿Y qué estás haciendo tú? ¿Qué estás haciendo? All right, let me check if my icons are... it's very hard for me to... Maybe I need to used to it. I feel like all of them should be slightly bigger, or am I mistaken? What if I click on it? Nothing doesn't happen, right? Okay, can you switch this icon by places? First should go description and then compatibility. Let's make logic, right? The description goes first. Like I want planet be here and hearts in here. All right. So now I'm gonna say, can you please now generate to me a JSON file with why it's not writing horoscope zodiac signs description, and it should be friendly, beautifully written, say from which to which date this date of birth it belongs, and also what does it mean if it's ascendant or moon, and make it beautifully and friendly for users to read. Make for all 12. No, can you generate to me 12 JSON files and per each zodiac? Not entering yet for generation of compatibility, because it's going to be a lot of information. It's like 1, 12, 1, 12, 1, 12, and they they need to mix with each other, right? So let's see how we will organize it. We'll start with just general description. My cursor finished in here. We can launch and see. Ando animando un pequeño trailer fotograma por fotograma y también haciendo diseños para ver si puedo venderlos en camisetas, gorras, etc. Estas cosas. Ah, vale, sí, es como Redbubble, ¿no? Porque es Redbubble donde yo intentaba, pero muy poca gente compra. Era Redbubble que tú puedes vender. Bueno, tú puedes poner imagen y ellos te van a... Si alguien pide, imprimir y poner donde sea ya. ¿Vale? Changed now. Guess it's all right, but maybe it should be on the Aquarius side. Okay, let's. Can you align the description and compatibility icons on the header by the left side on the screen so it appears right after the name of the zodiac sign, please. Always, please. Please. All right. Yep, algo así, pero hay mejores páginas que Redbubble. ¿Cuáles son mejores? ¿Etsy? ¿Permite hacerlo Etsy? Tú. Está trabajando. Todos trabajan. Simultáneamente. That's the proper word to say. Simultáneamente. I feel like I didn't rested well yesterday because I wanted to finish my project evening, and today I feel like after work weekend, working yesterday, late night actually, today I still a bit tired, and my my language is not aligned perfectly. Okay, so we have 12 JSON files. I believe he just gave it to me. Okay, so I will just copy paste those to cursor. I will give how to say it. I need to talk to cursor to see how it's better for it to do. It's done. Let's see if I will align those icons on this side, probably it's going to be better because it actually makes total sense. If those are descriptions that relate to this zodiac sign, I'm going to stack it to the name of the zodiac sign. Gracias, lazy content. Oh, actually, this is way more beautiful. This is exactly how I wanted it to be. Yes, this is actually good. And for some reason, this icon looks a bit like goes up on the top of they should be the same. Like it's a design problem that I have here. What is this that I did? What? How is it possible? Why it's appeared there? What is going on? Don't understand how it happened. I don't need image in here. Oh my god. Just gonna copy paste the color in here. Good. And actually color can be a bit more pink, no? Maybe like this. Better. So I just need them to make same height. Like this. So it's gonna be okay, export vector, and we're gonna use this one as compatibility icon. Save, replace, here, done. Where is my compatibility icon? Delete. Okay, no, wait. Refactor. Save, delete. That's proper way to do it, I believe. Delete anyway, and I need to get new. Vector asset, next, finish, and relaunch to see if this is gonna work. Por cierto, te quería decirte otra vez que me gustó el directo donde movías cosas. ¿Por qué otra faceta de ti? ¿Qué es otra faceta? ¿Qué es otra faceta? You know, why it's not aligned? Oh, Yo no sé qué es faceta. Why the icons are not aligned? Why icons are not aligned and we can't... and I can see the compatibility icon a bit higher and smaller than the planet one. Can you make them same size and same size and same alignment? Fue un día terrible de mí, que no ibas trabajando tanto. Fue un día horrible, porque yo destrocé mi armario y no quería hacer, era peor trabajo para mí. Eso fue horroroso. Mira, muchas gracias. Todo el mundo, mira, era Venus, y yo vi Venus. Otra vez puedo decir que Venus me ha regalado esto, aquí con muchas cosas escritas, su dibujo, pero también me regaló bolígrafo, donde puso bonita y nunca estresadita. Y me dijo, yo vi este bolígrafo y pensé de ti, que quiero que tú seas siempre bonita y nunca estresadita. Yo, vale, gracias. No, merci. Sí, yo tengo algo con workaholism. No puedo hacer nada con eso. Yo tengo algo, un problema ahí. Pero era de verdad que este día, cuando yo rompí el armario, era como, yo siempre, es como, yo pienso, ahora voy a ser tan productiva, voy a mover todo aquí, voy a mover esto y esto. Empiezo a mover mi armario y se inclina y cae, entonces, bueno, tenemos que tirar el armario fuera. Y yo veo un montón de mi ropa y tengo que ahora organizar todo como mínimo por un rato. Que no sea como asqueroso y organizar en una manera. Y ya pienso como que esto es como 2 horas de trabajo o algo. Es como, y me da tanto palo de perder este tiempo que yo como, joder, cuando tengo que como hacer esto y esto era sin plan, fatal. Para mí es un estrés y yo estaba tan estresada y pensé como, ya no quiero buscar porque lo que haría, me pondría a organizar la ropa y encendería un podcast o encendería. No sé cómo decirlo en español. Me pondría a escuchar un podcast o un libro o algo productivo. Y esto como que, joder, ya estoy harta, no quiero. Entonces voy a hacer así. Sé que fue un mal día para el público, fue otra cosa que no sea programación, lol. Sí, eso puede ser que es verdad. Bueno, mira, vamos a hacer así. Yo voy a pensar qué puedo hacer, pero sin romper mi armario, por favor. No quiero. Amé, me dio risa tus reacciones. Yo no recuerdo cómo era. Yo recuerdo este día muy bien porque mi gata paró el stream. Porque yo quería mostrarla así en la cámara y ella estaba cerca y con su nariz aprieta el botón de apagar el stream. Y yo como, vale, bueno, pues ya está. Pero después yo conecté y dije, mira, que mi gata paró el stream. Bueno, sí. A ver, ¿qué tenemos? Estoy mirando. Vale, 7 personas. Vale. Yo pedí a ChatGPT que me puede hacer fix de estas mierdas. Entonces, yo tengo aquí, ¿dónde está? 12 JSONs. Les puedo copiar 12 veces. Sí, eso. Xena. Yo de este stream yo voy a hacer 1.000.000 de clips porque el comportamiento de mi gata increíble. No está arreglado nada. ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué no? Align the line icons of compatibility and the description on the bottom line. No, not on the by the bottom line. By the bottom line, please. You can see that they are not aligned. I don't know if they have different. It doesn't seem that they have different. And the compatibility part is upper. Yeah, actually, I know now what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna ask. I know how to implement the part of description. I know what I'm gonna do. I don't want to have 1 million more of JSONs for horoscopes and now descriptions, because I'm most likely going to have JSONs for compatibility. It's more likely. So I need to, at least description, I will just fit it, I guess, inside of, as a text inside of the code. Okay, it says that it's changed. Let's see. Maybe I don't want to have the planet orange, but I want to have it yellow, but it's adjustable. Great. It's not working. I really don't know why. But in any case, let's leave it for now. At least something we have. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to tell to now I need, I will tell him that it's not working. It's not working, but I would like, it's not working as I wanted to, but I would like you now to implement the of description button icon, and once I have time I will be back to UI and UX. So now I need a logic when I click on the description icon. I'm showing a description of each zodiac, not of each, of corresponding zodiac sign. If I'm after a fresh install or cleared data, I want the description icon to open select zodiac sign screen. Can you do it, please? Here are my sign no, I'm gonna tell to it. I'm thinking how to pass it to him. Okay, I'm gonna do it. My side descriptions. I would need to copy paste, but it's all right. So I'm gonna say Aries. Next one, Taurus. How I did it? Next one is Gemini. Next, Cancer. Next, Leo. Next, Virgo. Next, Libra. Next, Scorpio. Next, Sagittarius. Next, Capricorn. So many zodiac signs. Next, Aquarius. Did I say Aquarius? I don't know if I need to tell it, but it's all right. Next, Pisces. Keep it like this. And this is all. Bam! Let's see. Should work. And icon is, of course, not the best, but what can we do? Now, actually, I really like this pink color in here, but... So in description, we also can put these icons of my illustrations of zodiac signs, and I do remember that I did illustration for each and every, and I guess it was somewhere in here. At least some of them are used. It's a lot of Paperonia Gooselik. Load. No, it's not here. Well, I have here, it was a Cancer. Nope. Yeah, I had it. Good. So I had this one, this one, this one. I did this illustration, but I'm scared of my God, why I decided to do it. So I'm gonna pick up those just to start. Then I'm gonna probably see if I can proceed. All right, so at least 3 zodiac signs we're gonna have, and it's gonna be cool because it's literally mine illustrations, which I'm very proud and happy of. Let's see. So cursor did the change. Let's see if it's working. Launching the application. Maybe I should do the background pink. Can ask. So Aquarius, plum. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. What do we have? My God. Air, fixed, Saturn, modern. Oh, what is going on? Okay, there is a design problems, but can be fixed. And let's read a bit and to understand if that at least sounds like reality. Aquarius is a feature-friendly and community-minded. You think in system, love, good weirdness, and design better defaults. Original thinking, social version Loyal friendship, calm under pressure, emotional warmth in real time, flexing rules when humans need it, staying embodied. Moon meaning. Feeling logically, first, honest, patient bonds work best. Let's change the zodiac sign. Let's see if I gonna change it. What? It's crushed or what? Hola. Okay, change zodiac sign and we're gonna put it to pieces. Is ocean of empathy and imagination. You send the undertones and turn them into art, care, or fate. Compassion, criteria, spiritual sensitivity, adaptable kindness. Reality checks on rosy stories. Grounding routines. It's nice. Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look on Aries. And actually, I'm now in Ukrainian and I didn't translate it in Ukrainian, so now I'm gonna make it. Now I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to translate it to Ukrainian. Fire, Cardinal Mars. Like this is kind of like probably features of the zodiac sign. I have no idea, but Aries is the spark at the start of every story. Bold, bright, and brave. You move first, learn fast, and inspire others to try. Yes. All right, let's go for Cancer. Din, 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 din. Come on. Where is it? Here. Heart fire, protective, intuitive, and caring. You sense what's needed and build belonging. Empathy, nurturing leadership, emotional memory, loyalty. I need to make clearer boundaries. Letting others support you, balancing past with present. It's true. I believe now to ChatGPT horoscope. Sun in Cancer leads by caring and creating safety. I have no idea about moon and other stuff, but let's go back to ChatGPT. It's actually good. I need to commit the changes. Like, commit the changes, please, because it's great job. Can you please now translate all those 12 to Ukrainian? Because we need it. We need to translate it to Ukrainian. And I can actually add an illustration, right? So, all right, so I can make it export, PNG. I'm gonna put pieces icon. We're gonna try on one and then we're gonna see how it's gonna end up, and I will use it. Okay, probably I need firstly to edit in here. Image asset. No, I don't need it. Wait. Just gonna put it like this. Refactor. Copy path, and I can you please now add the just wanted to copy this. Where is it? Where's my Android Studio? Great. Icon located in here. into the Pisces description field, make it somehow look beautifully embedded into the text. Maybe in the bottom. No, maybe. Let's see. It is my illustration that I will use for this zodiac sign. Perfect. I am capable of using my art, my illustration in my own application. It's amazing. Let's see. Streamlabs, Cursor, and ChatGPT. Where is my ChatGPT? Oven, Телец, Близнюк, Рак, Лев, Дива, Терези, Скорпіон, Стрелець, Козоріг, Водолій, Риби. Не треба мені окремих JSON-файлів. I started to speak Ukrainian. Okay. I also have a Ukrainian translation for each of the sign description. Can you please add the Ukrainian translation and use it for Ukrainian language? And I will put how properly, like, will Cursor understand? Let's try because throw and see if it's work. So let's see how into pieces Cursor added my illustration. I have no idea how it's going to be, but let's see if it's going to work. Okay, it's installed. Such pro. Incredible. I'm not good at these things. I'm actually like, I feel like the idea that I decided to add my illustrations, it was just like quite random. So thank you so much. And I feel like it's like full, like zero waste. So I need to add for Cancer still. But let's change to the last zodiac sign. Pisces. No. Oh, well, it's so small. No. No. Let me give some example. Okay, let's see if it says that it's managed to change the descriptions. Let's see. And then we're going to be back to, like, UI, it's hard. UI, it's hard to do. I really don't like it. It is working. Okay. But here is some part written on English. Let me change some zodiac signs. There is obviously some bugs, but let's say Cancer. Okay, and if I know, now I'm gonna switch the whole to English. Description. Good, it's working. Good. This is probably, now I understand what it that. It's probably like Cancer, it's a water sign, it's a cardinal sign, and the planet of this zodiac is Moon. There's definitely, I should do some kind of UI changes to make it more beautiful, but we as Spanish people say poco a poco. Oh my god, my cat is back in here. Xena, this is my cat. 9 people watching, so the one who are not aware, this is my cat Xena. She's most likely gonna bite me now, and I will forgive this to her. Okay. And also she's all like to do everything opposite of how I say. She has such a sharp tongue. Why she's doing it? Why? Now she's pretending like she loves me, but it's not true. Can you lick this hand also? Enough. Actually, now, oh my god, but probably she's licking because I had a cream and now she ate it. Xena, no, I hope she will be okay. Xena, go take some water. Okay. I will give some example. Of course, if I could, because my cat is the main character of my stream. But still, let me show more or less how I see it. And here I had some lorem ipsum, blah 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 blah. So I thought it may be something like this, and some stuff in here. I have no idea how to properly do it, but yeah, something like this. Oh, Xena. Oh, she's trying to lick my hands, Xen. I cannot see what I'm doing. No. Well, something like this. I'm gonna suggest to ChatGPT to do something like this. They need it, right? Okay. The icon should be the image that you added for the looping the stair lol. Yes. My cat she's most likely gonna bite me soon. Hello. The image that you added for the pieces sign is too small. I show you some idea of how I see. Oh no, she's decided to leave. How I see it. Can you please change it and put the icon, the image bigger and embed it inside the text. So text is wrapping around in a way, but still it's not breaking the blocks of description. Let's do like this. Meanwhile, I will ask ChatGPT to generate for me compatibility, and probably how to do it, I don't know how to do. I will just ask ChatGPT because I don't want to even think. Okay, so the next one, I need the data with the description of compatibility for each zodiac sign. For instance, for Leo, like Leo and Leo Aries, Leo Taurus, Leo, she's back, Gemini, etc. And can you please make it for all 12 zodiac signs? But no, let's start with only Leo, and please give it on both Ukrainian and English languages. And let's see what Cursor did for me. Trying to adjust my computer so you could see how Xena is vibe coding. But she's literally looking into the code. Yeah, the whole horoscope application designed, written, created by Kat. Okay, let's see. Oh, no. I didn't want to go to settings. I want to go to description. Still ugly, like why? All right, I know. Now we're gonna make it a different stuff. Xena. So I'm gonna make it like this. I'm gonna suggest to him another approach. So we will do next. I will make it like this. All right, and what they're saying, this should be white. What was the first summary? Okay, gonna be why she's just lapping with her tail on my on my touchpad, and I cannot do anything. Xena. So I'm gonna make it like this. It's gonna be summary. It's gonna be strength. And I will put in here how it says water, mutable, Jupiter, blah, blah, blah. So that's what we're going to do. Water. She decided to leave. What it says, Jupiter, traditional Jupiter. Should be smaller. 25. We'll do something like this. And probably I don't need to have this part in here. My cat set herself behind the laptop. She decided that it's the best for her to be there. So we're gonna be placing these ones like this, and then here, and then here. And I'm gonna just suggest this to, but maybe I still need to have this sign. Do I have it there? No. But I have a description, right? So that's what. He wrote it like this. Can make it like this. It's not working in my stroke, but I don't know why, because it's a mask or something. All right, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna put it 15. Should be in front. Now this all I will try to describe to cursor. I'm gonna say like this. Okay. I shared with you how I see the alignment better. So next to the zodiac sign name, on the right, add the icon that we use for this zodiac sign on the day prediction screen. Also, next, make the image a bit bigger, and on the right side of it, add the 3 parameters of planet characteristics, like water. What is this? Water, mutable, Jupiter, that you can see on my screenshot. We'll remove it because something that I don't like. So I feel like this ones should be bigger. 20. Maybe I also should use emoji icons, so it's gonna be just more beautiful. But I don't know, do I have anywhere here emoji icons? Somewhere, like there is a brain in here. Brain icon between all of my projects. Do I have it somewhere? No. All right. Keep doing it like this. Well, whatever. Let's do it without, because we already have too much stuff. So I'm gonna suggest this one to him. Then below, please continue with the summary and other descriptions. Let's see. And before what this, okay, do we have here compatibility? So, okay, we have a compatibility for Leo. Now I'm gonna suggest to Cursor, once we finalize with this, I'm gonna suggest to Cursor to make this for Leo. And after we're gonna generate compatibility for each zodiac sign. Let's see if it did something. Oh, nothing. Still thinking. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. It looked nice, but let's see. It's matching every icon to the description. Probably need to test it more. If we're gonna switch to Ukrainian, I feel like it's gonna be like, I don't know how I generated it, but there are some, like for example, pieces, work and love are not translated. Is it for every zodiac sign? Taurus? No, here it's translated. So there is some bug. I don't know, Scorpio. No, yeah, so work and love sometimes not translated. I need to work somehow on this, because if in Ukrainian it should be translated. So bad. Okay, it's done. Let's see if we manage to get some changes. So I was like, oh, I'm ready. I already done. I'm already ready to upload. Then one idea came into my mind, and I'm ready to make a full new application with compatibility and description and stuff. So this is the lesson that I learned, that you always need to understand when to stop. So here we will not have any icon. He did a bad stuff in here. Let's look for the last one. That's where we added it. Description. It's not good. Maybe it's because it's in Ukrainian. This is very bad. This description is very bad. Well, tomorrow we can stop, Marina, stop. Yeah, exactly. That's what I should do. But I will not stop today. I know that it's quite long, but I still want to try to see how it's going to do the compatibility stuff. So I'm actually going to copy this. I'm going to write, but I'm very truthful with cursor. Like, it's still not how I like, but as I said, we will do UI UX later. Now I need a bit new logic. Can you please implement the compatibility functionality now? Now, once user click on compatibility icon, we should show a corresponding compatibility screen on a corresponding language for the corresponding sign, and we need, and for example, I have this JSON now for Leo zodiac sign. Can you please implement it for the Leo now and then? But I want to make a, one little stuff in here that I described wrongly. It should work like that. Once I click on the compatibility icon, I should show a list of buttons like Leo / Aries, Leo / Gemini, etc. And once user click on it, we show a window with description. Please make it now to try out on a Leo sign. Here is my JSON. I think I described it very, very good. We eventually gonna end up that we're gonna be so lazy to even generate the prompts. We would be lazy to talk to ChatGPT. That's how we will end up. And yeah, and these parts are not good. Like I need to work on all of this screen. Maybe it's a bit, I need to, maybe I'm gonna work on this UI tomorrow, because I need to also think through how I want it to be, right? Maybe I won't have the summary in here and then below those parts. I have no idea. I need to think it through. Like, maybe what I'm trying to say, that maybe I need to have it like this goes in here. I cannot select properly, so like just for a second I'm gonna move those in here. Summary I'm gonna move, gonna make it like 32. Then my summary is gonna be in here. Well, maybe I don't even need a summary. Again, come on, take it in here. Well, to have something like this, then here we have water mutable like this. And then those parts we are moving, oh no, we're moving up. This can be bigger. Something like this, right? Maybe it's going to be more beautiful. All right, what do we have here? It's implementing a lot of stuff. Let's see. He added compatibility. Ah, what? Got all of those errors. I'm like, sent. What kind of assets he's trying to use? Font family button, blah, 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 blah. Let's see. All right, one more time. It added work to my shoulders. All right. Not available yet. We did it for Leo, right? All right. Description for Leo. In a way, somehow we show it. And here we have compatibility. Wow. Okay, Leo and Leo. Why is it in Ukrainian? Why is it in Ukrainian? Am I in Ukrainian now? Ah, okay. I mean, let's change to English. I'm kind of like now all my mind changed to English. So, Leo and Leo. Two sons, dazzling, dramatic, devoted, mutual admiration, epic romance, shared generosity, frictions, spotlight competition, pride hurts repairs. Schedule your turn, my turn moments. Apologize quickly, celebrate often. Create, join creative projects. Interesting. Leo, Cancer. Wow. I have someone upstairs jumping like crazy. Felt like my... Fuck, and it's right above me. I'm kind of scared. It's crazy. Like, I don't know if you can hear it, but... Wow. I don't know who is this, but... So bad. All right. So what we have, it's all right. Tomorrow I can make it the UI UX. Let's keep working on it. Next, please, Aries. I'm gonna... Perfect. Thank you. Next, please, the same but Aries. Let's see. Wow, wow, it's unbelievable. I don't understand who can possibly jump so much. What the fuck? Air4M817 has followed you. Thank you so much for follow. So kind of like the one that is Aries Leo. But why he says the same to me? It was Leo. So Taurus. Okay. Is it saying the same stuff? I feel like it's reusing the same stuff. Okay, no, seemed to me that it's not repeating anywhere. All right. Good. Now the same, but for Aries. Here is my JSON. Okay, that what we have after Aries. Next, please, Taurus. And so on and so on. That's what I'm gonna do. Gonna make 10 minutes more and then I will finish the stream because it's 2 hours 30 minutes, which is a lot and amazing, of course, but great. Thank you. Next, please, Taurus. Oh, I would need to work also on this part to make it like a lot. Tomorrow I'm gonna do a lot of visual stuff. I feel like it's stuck. Let's see. So is it good if I'm gonna do like this? Maybe I don't need to have these traditions in modern. Why they added this? I don't understand. I'm still doing something. It's great that I'm simultaneously doing Ukrainian and English translations. Yes. Please do the Gemini. It's making Virgo now. After Virgo, it's gonna be 4 more zodiac signs, I believe. No, why now ChatGPT is not asking me to do the same for what is going after Gemini? Cancer, Scorpio. Next, please do for Cancer. We're gonna finish this one. He's making a huge compatibility Kotlin file. Like, I don't know if that's right. Домосід і мандрівник. That's what he's saying about cancers. I feel like I'm loading so much. Yes, Virgo is next. Please. It was smart enough to understand that Virgo is next. And ChatGPT is doing super fast. I think it's going to be the last one. I think it's ready. Planning next moves. That's all my life. Right. Bam. Here you get the next one for Taurus. I'm gonna run it again. ChatGPT. Yes, please. Libra is next. What? It was Virgo? Ah, okay. It was Virgo. So what do we have here? Running. And then we have 3 minutes. It's going to be all for today. I got tired. And I feel like because I had give so much work, it's all started to lag. But let's see. It's going to be already the last build of the stream. Ah, no. It's not running. Why? What's going on? Oh no. It says it build successful. Where is my icon? Which one was before Taurus? I said Leo and then we did Aries, right? It says not available. Why not? One more time. And actually this one is added so fast. It's gonna give an error now. Probably it's because the code it didn't get the changes probably. Nice. Yes. So this is Aries compatibility. Now we have it with Scorpio. It exists. We have Aries, and we have what is next? We have Taurus. It's working. Let's continue then. No? Yes, please. Scorpio is next. So what is going after Taurus? Wait. We have here Taurus. So after Taurus it goes Gemini. Where is my Gemini in here? So the ChatGPT is almost done. This is Scorpio. But even though that it's Scorpio, I need to find a Gemini. Cancer. Before Gemini, it's Taurus. Copy code. Taurus, okay. Thank you. Next, please. I should understand that this is for Gemini, and here this was Scorpio, and after Scorpio, what is going after Scorpio? If only I knew. Sagittarius. Please. Next. All right. This is soon gonna be ready. Great. And did I click enter? Yes. After we had here what? Gemini. After Gemini, it is Cancer. Let's find Cancer in here. It is Cancer. No, it's Virgo. This is Cancer. Cancer, yes. So I can have please next Cancer. Go. I'm Libra, which is my compatibility. Oh wow, actually like Libras are the best. Like no jokes. Venus also Libra. The best people in the world are Libras. So I love Libras. It's no under discussion. Libras compatible with everybody because they are just amazing. And I have no idea actually, to say the truth. But we're gonna arrive to Libra compatibility, and we're gonna do it. What about if we're gonna do daily horoscope and I'm gonna split this application into 12 different applications? Will I get no? It actually makes no sense because I was thinking about the strategy of YouTube horoscope content creation. It's kind of really good because you create every month a zodiac sign prediction, 12 videos, and if a lot of people watch it, you get a lot of advertisement. But the same I can do. I'm gonna do application and I'm gonna get a lot of zodiac signs, and a lot of advertisement and a lot of money. Okay, just a little bit of topic. Cancer, and what we have after Cancer, we have Virgo. Okay, next, please, Virgo. Right, and here after Sagittarius, want to make a continue to Capricorn. Continue to Capricorn. Okay. But I had a feeling that I did some kind of, let me see of the history. So we did the Leo, right? No, after the image, I'm checking my prompts. I shared the icon. I didn't like it. But can you please blah, blah, blah. This was a Leo. After Leo was done, I said to cursor, I got some errors, blah, 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 blah. And now for Aries. And after Aries, I say, next please, Taurus. Perfect. After Taurus, I said, next please, well, how is it Virgo? Like, Gemini, where is my Gemini stuff? Here's Cancer. No. Taurus. Okay, then it's going to be next please Gemini. Next please Cancer. Next please Virgo, because we skip the Leo. Okay, so the next should be, yes, please do the Aquarius. After Virgo, it should be Libra. Exactly, Libra. Libra, where is my Libra? Sagittarius. Scorpio. This is going to be Libra. And this is Virgo. Yes, this is Virgo. Okay. Next, please. Should understand that it's Libra. Plum. Let's, no, I'm not going to run for now. Just not to make it worse. And here we're supposed to get the last zodiac sign like Pisces, and that then it's going to be done after Aquarius. Okay. After Libra, it's going to go Scorpio. Sagittarius. This is Scorpio. Okay, it's going to be the next one. It's kind of like slower, but gradually, because this is actually, sorry, need to answer. This is actually the perfect like beauty of all of this, that you do the design, you do description, you do code. Every stream I'm gonna now repeat that I'm my own grandpa. So we get Libra, now please Scorpio. Let's go. And this one, yes, please, now Pisces. Is it was Capricorn? Okay, yeah, it's okay, yeah, Capricorn. And here we had Scorpio. After Scorpio, it is Sagittarius. This is Sagittarius. It's got lagging. Sagittarius, and this was Libra. No, it's Scorpio. Sagittarius, and then should be Aquarius. And it just did Capricorn without Aquarius? Why we didn't do Aquarius? Next, please. Sagittarius. I don't know if that's all right. Okay. So, okay, we did Libra. Did we do Aquarius? How I missed it. Hope. Thinking. Oh, my cat woke up. Okay, where is Aquarius? So we have here Pisces, Capricorn. Ah, Aquarius, all right. How I missed it. It was right after Capricorn. Ah, so it goes Capricorn and then Aquarius. I have no idea. Now, please, it's going to be Capricorn, all right? You want to do Capricorn, all right? Now, please, next. Capricorn. Very boring stuff happening now. Then Aquarius. Already 3 years in a row streaming with Michael Jackson songs. Okay, we have Capricorn, Aquarius, and then Pisces. And then it's going to be done. Then I would need to launch and test it slightly. And then we will see. If that's all working good. Great. Next. Of course, no error. Edit Capricorn next. Aquarius, and after Aquarius, the last one is Pisces. And after Pisces, we literally have nothing. So after we're going to launch and see, and for tomorrow I'm going to plan all of the UI parts, and I need to find maybe before all of the illustrations, because I don't know where are all my illustrations for zodiac signs. Not gonna reply for ChatGPT. Okay, next, please. This. So once cursor is gonna finish it. Feel like, oh my god, Xena is putting her pause on my keyboard. I feel like to do UI UX tomorrow is going to be harder. Okay, so it's done. This would be the last one. Pieces. I can launch it for now. These icons are not aligned. Also, there are some problems with translations. It's lagging again a bit. Terminating the app. It says. Okay, let's wait. I think it's ready, but Android Studio is lagging, so install successfully, but I won't again because I want to check now all of the zodiac signs. Come on. That's basically what we have by the end. Now it's gonna be ready and we will test it slightly to see if it's worked. Okay, this is Taurus compatibility with Aquarius. Working. Let's go for change zodiac sign. We're gonna pick up Aquarius. Compatibility, Aquarius plus Capricorn. Working and Cancer. Working. Now we're gonna go and change to Libra. So description, working, back, hearts, and Libra and Sagittarius. Libra and Sagittarius is working. Perfect. So I managed to, I feel like this is more full application, more full how horoscope application should be. And it's time for me to finish. It's almost 3 hours. It's like unbelievable tiredness. And as usually, I gonna raid my 4 people. Where are they? Stream manager. Guys, thank you a lot for joining my stream, for watching all of this and taking a part of it. We're gonna continue most likely tomorrow, if not tomorrow, very, very soon. And we have a lot of work still left to do, as we need to align with all of the UI parts, which is harder. With artificial intelligence, I think UI is way harder to do. It's easier to do it by hands, I guess. And I am rating you to literally going to be the first channel that I have. And thank you, and see you soon. Mwah, 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 mwah. See you very, very, very soon. And it should start in 3 seconds, 2, 1. Mwah. See you soon. Bye, 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 bye. And now would be about YouTube. So everybody on YouTube, thank you. See you also very, 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 very soon. And bye, bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Where is my OBS studio?